Hi everyone. Now the time is something about to 4 a.m. in morning. So uh, I am trying, I am trying to speak in English and want to become a French and want to achieve in fluency in English, particularly in English language because of I know in every field, whatever you want, wherever you want to go. In every field, you have required professional communication skills. Without it, you cannot express your expression in front of your boss in your uh, higher authority, and this communication skills provide you confidence the and helps to build your personality. For this help of this you can express your thought, which is good for you. And new I am going to discuss on some topic like the unemployment rate of India. And you know India has the highest population in the world, something around 1.4 billion people in the country. So the thing is something around every year, something around 200 crore people pass out from colleges, and there is only 10 lakh 10 to 15 lakh people got the job. uh, and all remaining all uh, remains unemployed because of lack of skills and lack of opportunities. No, there is a supply and demand. Job is all dependent on supply and demand. You know, in India, everyone want to go in. Uh, most of preparing for government jobs in government sector want to go in government sector because of there is a stability, and government provides good amount of salary, and if, and also there is a lack work compared to private sector. But if you come in a private sector, there is a huge opportunity. There is growing there is you can grow faster than government sector. If you comparing government and private sector, in initially I can say, you if you earning if you got job in government sector initially, yeah, government sector is good. But after 4 year, after 4 year 5 year, the private candidate who is working in a private sector in a good condition, in a good situation, and in a standing a good position, and he has such kind of experience and such kind of risk taking power, who uh, with the help of he can achieve whatever he want. So and uh, in India, most of people are preparing for government job because of their stability. And also I already told you, job is also depend on supply and demand. So in India, uh, if we compare what opportunity is available in India, and what supply uh, supply. So it's all depend on opportunity and the both opportunity and the skill. So we need to in India we need to start manufacturing sectors, and build something new company, and and expand our expandation of a business, because of that there is a possibility to create more jobs. And uh, all youngster who have the such kind of upper hand in business must have to take action, and must have a vision, because vision is also important to grow his uh, to achieve something new, something big, and plan execution and action. Plan execution and action, and motivation. What motivation behind it to do it? This is also important to achieve something, whatever you want. This is not about your brother, your your father, and your uncle's brother said you, this is good for you. It is not about of that. This is not all about of all about this is all about what you thinking, what is your thought of what kind of your mindset. So that is the thing I want to share with you. And you know why, uh, I think who is watching me, and uh, he's he said, uh, I think he must think, why I am trying to speak English. I know I do lot of grammatical mistake in my communication skill, in my communication. But I know if I not practice not if I not practice speaking in English, so uh, how I improve my communication skills. Because of practice is so much importance to achieve any kind of thing. And if you not do if you not do uh, uh, if you not do mistake in your communication, so mistake is something which assure you you have to improve. And this thing also important for me to improve my communication. That's I am here to improve my communication. Why I am sharing a video with you? Because of you guys, uh, uh, if I not share the video, also how I know I am improving my communication. I Please give me feedback. There is improvement of my communication skill or not. Uh, you are only the guy who can give me feedback, because of there is not such kind of environment where I can speak with the people, and to communicate with him. There is a many platforms, but initially I joined some platforms to improve my communication skills. But there all is paid. But initially it's good. I paid for 1 month and practice there. And initially I practiced there, and this is my initial phase. Uh, but if you want to improve your communication, you have to more practice, and you have to learn something new in every day. And you have to read continuously new books, because reading is also important to improve your communication skills. It helps to improve your vocabulary, idioms, and phrase. You have to also phrase in your communication skills, because it's make your sentence such like that it's attract the uh, people, because of the word you are trying to say. And the other guy who is well known for well known for use of item phrase, the way he is speaking and the way he telling the story is amazing and attracting the people more. So that's why, uh, good night for me because time is 4 a.m. So I have to go to sleep. So bye, take care, bye bye, take care.